Good morning, welcome to Howards of Yeovil. My name is Danny and I'm going to be showing you around our Citroen C3 Flair today. It's a 1.2 petrol and a 5-door. The car has some lovely features, so with its large multifunction touchscreen you can pair your phone. If you connect your phone you can actually use the sort of sat-nav and things through that. This one also has automatic wipers and lights. So let me show you around and see what you think. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions or would like to arrange to come and view the car, then please give us a call. The number is 01935 388 584, and of course just remember you will have a large manufacturer's warranty left on there.